In this video, I will explain the basic functions of effects pedals. The connection ports are located on the side. Input is for the connection from the guitar to the pedal. Output is for the connection from the pedal to the amplifier. Here you can also connect to other effects pedals. Make sure to connect the output of one pedal to the input of the next one. The output of the last pedal in the chain is then connected to the input of the amplifier. Be sure to use short patch cables with angled plugs to connect effects pedals to each other. That way you will save room by keeping the pedals close together. There is a port for a power supply on the front side of the pedal. Most pedals require 9 volts of power. You can either use individual power supplies for each pedal or a single power converter to feed multiple pedals at once. Alternatively, most effects pedals can also run on 9-volt batteries. The battery compartment is located either underneath the pedal or, in the case of pedals made by the company Boss, underneath the foot switch. However, I prefer to use an external power supply to avoid having to constantly change batteries, since they usually run out when you least want it to happen. The effect pedal is engaged via the foot switch. In most cases, a status LED is lit to indicate that the effect is on. The sound of the pedal can be adjusted with the knobs located on the top of the pedal. That's basically it. You will learn details regarding individual effects in the following videos.